This is the replacement hospital for St. John's that was taken out by the tornado about 2 years ago. It's about maybe 2 miles to the north of here. Our BIM drawings come out and gave them to Gripple. They installed all their points right on our drawings and sent them back to us. Sent them to the engineer, they approved them, and we install right off of them. In the past, we've used cabling and bracing that they come out, and when they deliver the job, they're large spools of cable, different size cable, and there's a lot of waste and a lot of labor intensive cutting that cable to size. On these, they come out pre-packaged, color-coded, numbered, thread them through, tighten them down, and cut off the excess.
I've never used Gripple before. What I like about it is it's easy to install, it's lightweight, gives you several different options to mount it.
Most of the seismic hanging that we do is not easily accessible, so the guys are not having to drag spools with them and crimping tools and everything else. It's just very handy.
If we would have used conventional method, we would have half a trailer full of parts and pieces. On these, we just have a couple pallets with everything color-coded and bagged on each installation.